Good morning, students. Welcome back to learning classes of Modern English School, Kunti Nagar, Nevada. Today, I am going to teach you some problems of exercise 13 of the topic lines and angles. So, let us start question number 1. In question number 1, find the complement of each of the following angles. Here, first angle given 35 degree. So, first of all, let the measure of its complement be x degree. Then we know that the sum of angles in the case of complement we write 90 degree. So here x degree plus 35 degree given, we write the sum 90 degree. So therefore x is equal to 90 minus 35. We get 55 degree. So hence the complement of given angle measures 55 degree. Is it clear? Now let us discuss next question. In next question, find the complement of each of the following angles. Here angles given 47 degree. The first of all, let the measure of its complement be x degree. Then we know that two angles are called complement if the sum of their measures is 90 degree. Here first angle x, next angle given in question 47 degree. We write is equal to 90 degree. The x is equal to, we get 90 minus 47. We get 43 degree. Hence the complement of the given angle measures 43 degree. Is it clear? Now let us discuss question number 2. In question number 2, find the supplement of each of the following angles. Here angles given 80 degree. The first of all we let its supplement be x degree. We know that two angles are called supplement if the sum of their measures is 180 degree. So here first x degree and next given 80 degree. This other angle. The sum of their measures always write 180 degree. Therefore x is equal to 180 minus 80 is equal to 100 degree. Hence the supplement of the given angles measured 100 degree. Is it clear? Now let us discuss next question. In next question, find the supplement of each of the following angles. Here angles given 54 degree. The first of all let its supplement Vx degree. Then we know that the sum of their measures of supplement angles V 180 degree means x degree plus 54 degree is equal to 180 degree. Therefore x is equal to 180 minus 54. We get 10 minus 4 6, 7 minus 5 2, 1 126 degree. Hence the supplement of the given angle measures 126 degree. Is it clear? Now let us discuss question number 3. In question number 3, among two supplementary angles, the measure of the larger angle is 36 degree more than the measure of the smaller. Find their measures. So first of all, let the measure of a smaller angle Vx degree. So the measure of larger angle. According to question, the measure of the larger angle is 36 degree more than the measure of a smaller. So here x more plus 36 degree. We know that the sum of supplementary angles is 180 degree. So here write x plus 36 is equal to 180 degree. Is it clear? X plus x, 2x is equal to 180 minus 36. 2x is equal to 10 minus 6, 4, 5 minus 7 minus 3, 4, here 1. Therefore x is equal to 144 upon 2 is equal to 72 degree. So hence a smaller angle 72 degree, a larger angle we write 72 plus 36 we get 108 degree. Is it clear? Now let us discuss question number 4. In question number 4, find the angle which is equal its supplement. The let required angle Vx. Then two angles are supplement if the sum of their measures is 180 degree. In according to question, find the angle which is equal to the angle Vx is equal to its supplement. Supplements right 180 minus x. Is it clear? X plus x is equal to 180. Therefore 2x is equal to 180. X is equal to 180 upon 2 is equal to 90 degree. Hence required angle is equal to 90 degree. Is it clear? Now let us discuss question number 5. In question number 5, in the given figure, AOB is a straight line and the ray OC stands on it. Angle AOC is equal to 64 degree. Angle BOC is equal to x degree. Find the value of x. So here is the linear pair property. Y linear pair property. कोई भी लाइन का एक साइड और किसी एक पॉइंट पे जितने भी एंगल्स बनते हैं उसका सम 180 होता है. मीन्स द सम ऑफ ऑल एंगल्स भी 180 डिग्री. मीन्स here write angle AOC plus angle VOC is equal to 180 degree. The sum of all angles on the same sides of the line at a given point is 180 degree. Here in same side there are two angles for this and that. The sum will be 180. Here AOC given 64 degree. BOC here X is equal to 180 degree. The X is equal to 180 minus 64 is equal to 10 minus 4 6 7 minus 6 1 here 1 116 degree. Lastly we get X is equal to 116 degree. Is it clear? Now let us discuss question number 6. In question number 6, in the given figure, two straight line PQ and RS intersect at O. If POS is equal to 140 degree, means POS here given 114 degree. Is it clear? Find the measures of each the following. Here first find POR. POR मतलब this angle. So here RS is a line. RS is a line. RS is a line. So the sum of all angles formed on the one sides means here. At a given point, the sum is 180 degree. Means Y linear pair property angle POR plus angle POS is equal to 180 degree. Why? The Y linear pair property. Angle POR plus POS given 114 degree is equal to 180 degree. Therefore, angle POR is equal to 180 degree minus 114 degree. We get 10 minus 4 6, 7 minus 1 6, means angle POR is equal to 66 degree. Next angle we find ROQ. ROQ. So here is the concept of vertically opposite angles. So we write here angle R angle ROQ is equal to angle POS is equal to 114 degree. Why? The vertically opposite angle. Vertically opposite angles. Next, lastly we find angle QOS. So we write angle QOS is equal to angle POR. So just found angle POR is equal to 66 degree. Y equal to vertically opposite angle. Vertically opposite angles. So hence angle POR is equal to 66 degree, angle ROQ is equal to 114 degree, angle QOS is equal to 66 degree. Is it clear? Now let us discuss question number 7. In question number 7, in the given figure, rays OA, OB, OC and OD are such that angle AOB 56 degree, angle BOC 100 degree, angle COD x degree and angle DOA is equal to 74 degree. Find the value of x. So we know that the sum of all angles around a point, here point given, the sum of all angles around a point is 360 degree. Is 360 degree. Here right, we know that the sum of all angles around a point is 360 degree. The here angle AOB plus BOC plus COD plus DOA is equal to 360 degree. Here value given AOB is equal to 56, BOC 100, COD x, DOA 74 is equal to 360. Here right, therefore 56 plus 100 plus 74 we get 6 plus 4 10 carry 1, 1 plus 5 6, 6 plus 7 13 carry 1, 1 plus 1 2 plus x is equal to 360 degree. Therefore x is equal to 360 minus 230 degree. We get 130 degree. Lastly we find x is equal to 130 degree. Is it clear? I hope you will complete exercise 13 with the help of this video. That's all. Thank you. Take care. Bye bye.